Hello, welcome back. Now I want to talk about how to get your character to start in the right location. We don't want to start in the middle because then we start attacking each other. We don't really use the whole board. So right now we're going to start in the corner. Start in the corner, we're going to set a block, and I'm just going to pick the two easiest corners, -8 and -8, and then I'll do 8 and 8. So at 8, -8 to -8, we're going to make a block 49, which is obsidian. And then at 8 to 8, I'm going to make another block, which is 49. When I run it, you can see a block there, and then I'll see if Oscar sees it, he sees it, so everything's working out like it should be. Perfect. Now, it doesn't really do anything if I stand in the corner, it's a spot, but we want to code it in that nothing starts until then. So I'm going to take this first part of my while true, copy and paste it, now it's here. So now we can get the player position for wherever they're at. That's good. That's a good start. But we want the game to start. So we want to get out of this while true loop and go to the next one once we're both in position. So first we want to get the block for the player 1 position. Now for the player 1 position, we have to check the X, the Y, and the Z. So player 1 position, I'm going to copy and paste that and just change the X to a Y. Now the reason why we can't just do position is we need to go 1 down in our Y, so it's Y minus 1 to get the block right below us. And then player 1 position Z. All right, now I'm just going to copy and paste this right here, and then I'm just going to change all of the values. Oh yeah, first I need to call this player 1 block, and now I can copy and paste it. And then we're just going to change the values from player 1 to player 2. Now we'll know which block is underneath our player 1, which block is underneath our player 2, and things will be right where we want them. So now we'll just have to check both of those conditions. We'll have to check if player 1 block is going to be equal to 49, and if it is, then we're going to also check, so we're going to say and player 2 block equals block 49. And if both of those are happening at the same time, then we want to take them from regular obsidian and turn them to glowing obsidian. So I'm going to take and I'm going to copy and paste those blocks just to save some time, and I'm going to turn them from 49 to 246, the glowing obsidian. So when you're on it and you see it turn to red, you know it's go time. Then we can start. And then once that happens, it turns to red, then we want to break. So then that's going to take us out of that first while loop, put us in the next while loop. So now when I run this, I'm going to look down. There's Oscar over there. I'm going to stand on mine. Oh wait, I fell off. Going to come back. Oh, now it's red. That means I can go. Oscar just standing in the corner waiting for me. Oh, somehow he won. Well, I must have slipped down one of those holes and popped right back up. And but that gives you the general idea on how to have a starting point in this game.